going on here in Hearth Cafe. I am at Hearth Cafe right around the corner from Tom Thumb off of Country Club and Walnut Creek. And y'all, this place is totes adorbs. I'm enjoying my coffee and gonna grab some breakfast and want to tell you a little bit about this place. Check out the great patio that we have here at Hearth Cafe, so you can be inside or outside after you order your breakfast or lunch. Like I mentioned, we're right here at the corner of Country Club and Walnut Creek, so it is a great location. The decor inside this place is super cute. Love the photo spot, love the coffee bar, some comfy tables and booths to sit and have coffee with a friend, maybe get some work remote kind of stuff done, and really just a nice place to relax. If you don't know it's there, you might miss it. So come check out Hearth Cafe. I think you will love the menu items that you find here. I actually had the avocado toast while we checked it out, and it was fantastic. So great coffee drinks, great lemonades, and all kinds of yummy, yummy stuff. Really just a great experience when we were here.